For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a printing business can be a rewarding venture, especially when paired with the power of free artificial intelligence tools that streamline operations, cut startup costs, and accelerate growth. Whether you're looking to launch a local print shop, a custom apparel printing brand, or an online print-on-demand service, AI can help guide your decisions from planning through promotion. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to launch a printing business using free AI tools available today, complete with actionable prompts and tool suggestions. Step 1. Define your niche and printing services. The first step is deciding what type of printing business you want to start. Options include digital printing, offset printing, t-shirt and apparel printing, signage, stickers, business cards, packaging, or even photo books. Use ChatGPT to help brainstorm niche ideas based on your interests, local demand, and competition. You can prompt ChatGPT with, "Give me a list of profitable printing business niches I can start with minimal investment and equipment," or "Compare t-shirt printing versus packaging printing in terms of startup cost and market demand." You can also use Google Trends and Answer the Public to analyze search demand around keywords like custom sticker printing or local t-shirt printers near me to understand market viability. This ensures you choose a profitable direction with clear demand. Step 2. Write a business plan using ChatGPT. Once your niche is defined, create a solid business plan. A business plan includes an executive summary, market analysis, service offerings, marketing strategy, startup cost estimate, and financial projections. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Create a detailed business plan for a home-based t-shirt printing business targeting small businesses and events. You can then refine each section by asking for deeper insights. For example, expand the marketing strategy section with social media tactics and email outreach ideas. You can also use Notion AI or Google Docs AI to organize, edit, and format the business plan into a polished presentation for partners, investors, or simply for your own clarity. Step 3. Choose the right business model. Next, decide whether you'll operate from home, lease a storefront, or launch entirely online using a print-on-demand model. Each comes with different cost structures and risks. For online printing businesses, consider integrating with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon. You can prompt ChatGPT with, "Compare home-based versus storefront versus print-on-demand business models for a printing business, including pros, cons, and startup costs." You can also ask for startup checklists with prompts like, "Give me a checklist of what I need to start a custom sticker printing business from home." Step 4. Design your brand using free AI tools. Branding is critical. Start by creating a business name using a tool like Namelix, which generates creative business names using AI. Then, develop a professional logo using Loca or Canva's free logo generator. ChatGPT can assist with brand positioning using a prompt like, "Write a brand mission and value proposition for a custom apparel printing business targeting local sports teams and schools." Use Canva or Microsoft Designer to create a consistent color palette and visual identity. You can also generate mock-ups of your products using free AI image tools like Smart Mockups or Placeit to showcase your designs professionally. Step 5. Set up your printing operations and workflow. Now that you've chosen your niche, model, and branding, it's time to plan the operational side. If you're doing in-house printing, research and list equipment needed. ChatGPT can help you prepare an equipment list with this prompt. List the essential equipment and estimated costs for starting a t-shirt printing business using heat press and screen printing. If you're using print-on-demand platforms like Printify or Printful, AI can help you compare them. Prompt ChatGPT with, "Compare the best print-on-demand platforms for selling custom mugs and apparel online." You should also define the workflow of how an order is processed from start to finish. Tools like Trello or Notion with AI add-ons can help you create standard operating procedures and manage tasks. Step 6. Create AI-enhanced marketing materials. Marketing is essential, and AI can dramatically reduce the time and cost involved. Use ChatGPT to write your initial marketing plan with. Write a marketing plan for a local print shop targeting small businesses and event organizers. For each channel like Instagram or flyers, you can ask for content ideas using prompts such as, "Give me 10 Instagram post ideas to promote a sticker printing business," or write a sales email offering 10% off custom business cards. Use Canva's AI to create eye-catching visuals for social media posts, ads, and promotional flyers. You can also use tools like Lumen 5 or Pictory to turn your blog posts or business promotions into short marketing videos for free. Step 7. Launch a website and social media presence. Use free website builders like Wix, Card, or WordPress with Elementor to build your website. ChatGPT can generate content for the website, including your homepage, about page, and product descriptions. Prompt example: write an about page for a modern, eco-friendly print shop focused on small business customers. Set up social media accounts on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn. You can ask ChatGPT, write a 30-day content calendar for a new online sticker printing business. Then use Buffer or Meta Business Suite to schedule your posts. Step 8. Offer AI-generated design support for clients. You can increase the value you offer clients by using AI tools to help with their designs. For example, you can use Canva, Adobe Express, or Ideogram to assist clients who don't have ready-made artwork. If you want to offer in-house design services, use ChatGPT with prompts like, "Create 3 catchy slogans for a fitness brand's t-shirt campaign," or write a product description for a save-the-date wedding magnet. These tools not only enhance the quality of your service, but also streamline your operations by reducing turnaround time. Conclusion: starting a printing business has never been more accessible thanks to the availability of free AI tools. From market research and branding to operations and marketing, AI platforms like ChatGPT, Canva, Printify, and Google tools can help you launch and grow with minimal upfront costs. As long as you stay consistent, remain customer-focused, and leverage these AI tools to optimize your strategy, your printing business can thrive in today's fast-paced economy. Let technology work as your silent partner and elevate your printing venture with creativity, speed, and intelligence. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.